So this is GoDonut. It seems like a simple concept. It looks like a kid's toy, in fact, but it's an accessory for your phones, your tablets. When I was talking with the creators, they showed me a video of a truck rolling over it and didn't destroy it. How does it work? It's super simple. All you'll do is set it up so that you can either put your phone or your tablet right inside, and boom, just like that, it works. Simple and to the point, really easy to use. It fits most phones, most tablets. The only thing that I've noticed is with the large iPad Pro, you'll need two of these to sort of support it, one on either side. But other than that, it works well. It's made out of super durable material, so it can go in the kitchen, it can go in your garage, it can go anywhere you want to take it, and it ain't gonna break. This is John. Here's a couple other videos that you might like, and feel free to subscribe.